This is the secretary. We have two staves. In the right.
What time is it?
Oh my god. And in the left. This is the coffee shop. The people can buy snacks and do the homework.
The playground. Hi, Paula.
Hi, Lara.
Hi, Jose.
Hi.
Hi, Carmen.
Hi.
Come on. Hey, basketball, football, and more sports. What are you doing, Paula?
I'm jumping.
Okay. How are you, Carmen?
I'm fine, thank you.
We can sit in a box. This is the gym. We can play a lot of games.
In this part of the high school, we have the three of that and more toilets.
Hi.
Hi, girls. This is the music class. Come on, come. This is the library, but we can pass. But we have the living room of the high school. Come on.
Hi. This is the second floor. This is the new part of the high school. On the right, we have the toilets and the lift. We have the laboratories of physics. On the left, we have the second high school. And then we have the box office. Hi, Lara. Hi, Paula.
Hi, Carla.
Then we have the laboratory of chemistry. Come on. Here's the playground. Let me see.
Oh my god.
No.
This.
Hi, Jose. This is the playground. Hi, Jose.
This is the music class. Blah.
This is the. We have. Otra vez. This is the laboratory of physics. On the left, we have the second of high school.
This is a project of Carmen,
Lara,
Paula.
Carla.
Bye.